I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. So, it's Monday. I'm getting ready to go drop off the kids at school. And then I'm starting a project in my bathroom. What? Project in my bathroom. What? Project in my bathroom. So, I'm going to be putting down floors in my master bath upstairs. So, I have to go to Lowe's to get an idea what I want. I think I know what I want because I saw someone else on Instagram did it and it looks nice, but hubby does not like it, so I have to find an in-between. And I'm just like, we're not about to fight about floor, okay? This is not the basement. But yeah, so and then I have to go to Walmart to get meat for the week, and then I have to get water. So that's what's on the agenda today. Come along with me, guys. We're gonna have a fun day. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My week is off to a good start, so let's keep it that way. And let's just go, okay? Let's just go before all break loose, okay? Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Kids are dropped off. We're at Walmart, and this one don't want to go in the cart because she's afraid of the cart. But I'm gonna go look at ground beef, and this is so hard. She hates the cart, so now where I'm having to wrangle a cart and a little one. So let's see what they have for beef. You want to stand up? Stand up. It's fine. Let's go. Whoops. Get on the front. Get on the front. They don't have the drumstick. They have these. Leg quarters. Oh, they have these. I'm just gonna get this. That's one meal. Let's check the price. I don't see any price. Hey, stop destroying Walmart, girl. Stop. I don't know how much these are. Let's just get these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maddie, stop destroying the people's store. Chicken thigh? That's $9 though. Oh, they have leg quarters for $7. Yeah, don't destroy the store. Put that back. Section, especially on bread. Marcelo likes this, but I like for it to be more clearance down. Let's use garlic bread in a bag. Like this is 63 cents. Maddie, stop touching that. They're all freshly stocked, so I doubt we're gonna find any good stuff. Yep, we're not gonna find any good stuff. We gotta come back. Yep. Nope, good, no. Alright, let's go. This is $3.73 and you get 60 eggs. Marcelo was telling me it was less. I'm like, no. It's the same. Vamos. No, it's okay. Come on. Let's go. Vamos. Maddie. Maddie. All right, come on. I did go ahead and find this guy for the kids' lunches. So, I gotta get water. This guy. Oh my gosh. I gotta set you guys down. Stay here. Don't move on the donuts. Maddie, why are you laughing at me, girl? Where are you? Come on, let's go. Why are you laughing at me? All right, let's go check out. Let's go check out. We got everything we need. Oh, no. Gonna run it into the thing. Come on. We're done with Walmart. My eye is bugging me. I spent $35 more than I wanted to. I was planning on spending $20, but I went over by $15, mainly because I picked up snack because I forgot we didn't get any snack, and I also got seasoning because we're out of seasoning. Just a couple random stuff, nothing major. And what else did I get? And I got water. I showed you guys that. So now I'm heading to Lowe's to go look at the tiles for my bathroom floor. So that's where we're going. So let's go. So we're at Lowe's, but I can't find the. I need the gradable vinyl tile, but I can't find the one I'm looking for. I'm gonna show you guys a few, but I'm gonna paint the cabinet, so it's not gonna really work. And this one is fussy, so I'm about to give up. But let me turn the camera around and show you guys some of these selections. Say hi. Okay, so I like this one, but I think it's too dark. And then they have this guy right here. Oh, this one. And I like the look of it, but I don't know. The one I'm looking for has patterns on it. They have these. None of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a black and white pattern, or gray and black. This one is cranky, so I'm about to just call it a day and go home. Because I can't find what I'm looking for. Alright, let's go. So I saw this fridge and I'm about to settle because look at the price. It's stainless steel. It's a Whirlpool. Don't mind Maddie down there, you know, weeping willow. It was a loaner for 30 days. And that's the only problem, is that it was a loaner. It's dirty, but nothing you can't really clean. Oh. Nothing you can't really clean. And it's really big. It has all the space I need for the kids' snack. It smells in here. Oh God, it stinks. What's the matter? And I like the fact that it's yours and it doesn't have a little space thing. So I don't know, guys. I like it, but it's not the fridge I want. But for the price, originally $3,500 to $18,000. What do you guys think? No? And then they have this guy, and it only has a scratch on the bottom right side. Also, they have this guy, but it's only missing handles. They said that you can replace the handles for $170, but it's really scratched and dented right here. So I don't know, decisions. Let's go home. That was a fail, massive fail, but whatever. live to fight another day, right, Maddie? Right? Let's go home. Because you're a brat. Yep, we're going home. Yep. Sit your butt. Sit down. Sit down. Sit properly. I need to go find me some lunch. Something to eat. I'm so nosy. I'm hungry. I need to eat. I don't know what to eat. You eating, Jojo? It's so cold in this house. Making baked chicken for dinner. So dinner's almost done and homeworks are completed. And Jaxson had a project today that was due and he lost the paper and somehow, I don't know, I read the project before it was lost. I didn't quite understood what it was asking of us to do, so I went ahead and guessed, and lo and behold, it's the right thing. So dodged a bullet right there because that's a big chunk of his grades. So anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Nothing more is going on here. We're just gonna eat, hang out, and do what we do as a family. You guys already know what that entails. So thank you guys for hanging out. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Bye guys.